Want to make your Microsoft Loop pages look clean and professional? Let's quickly go over how to format text. Open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your account. Head to the page or component you want to edit, then select the text you'd like to format. Once you highlight it, a formatting menu will appear. Here you can bold important points, italicize for subtle emphasis, underline key details, or even adjust font size and style. If you're working with lists or tasks, you can also add bullets or indentation to keep things neat and easy to read. Formatting isn't just about style. It makes your content clearer, more organized, and easier for your team to follow. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can give your Microsoft Loop pages a polished, professional look. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.